Our lesson today, inshallah, is about the letters characteristics. In the last lesson, we learned the articulation points and makharij of the letters. Please, once you listen to them, it's your responsibility to exercise. After finishing this course, you'll find, inshallah, yourself having an advanced level of tajweed, inshallah. Okay, characteristics of Arabic letters. Okay, we have ta, dal, and ta. These three letters, as we mentioned before, are from the same articulation point, which is the tip of the tongue with what? With the gum of the two front top incisors. Okay, so this is the same makhraj. These three letters are from the same makhraj. Okay, what makes different ta? What makes ta different than dal, different than ta? Well, what makes them different is the characteristics of the letter. So this is the characteristic of the letter. So the characteristic of the Arabic letters, we have two types. Okay, we have characteristic that has opposite and characteristic that has no opposite. Okay, has opposite and has no opposite. Okay, so and when you have a problem with a definite letter, for example, you find yourself you can't adjust it. Okay, you just need to study its articulation point properly and stick to that articulation point and study its characteristic and stick to that characteristic, and after that you will get and catch how to read this letter properly, inshallah. So put it in your mind that characteristics are so important to apply when you are reciting or reading the letter. Okay, so as we mentioned, we have characteristic that has an opposite and characteristic that has no opposite. Today, inshallah, let's now take the characteristic that has an opposite. So they are just four different opposites. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have al-hams wal-jahr, the whisper and apparent or audibility. We have الشدة والرخاوة, and in between we have التوسط. الشدة means strength and الرخاوة means softness. And we have الاستعلاء والاستفال. الاستعلاء means elevating, الاستفال means lowering. We have الإطباق والانفتاح, adhesion and openness. Okay, so these are the characteristics that have an opposite. Okay, characteristics that have opposite. Okay, and they are four different opposites. Now moving on into the characteristics that has no opposite. Okay, the characteristic that has no opposite. Okay, what are they? They are 8 different characteristics. Number 1, we have the whistle or as-safir. We have the takrir, repetition. We have the spreading out or the fatafashi. This one is for the sheen. We have al-istitala, the lengthening, which is for dad. And we have the nasalization, which is al-ghunna, deviation, al-inhiraf, the qalqala, and we have the ease. Okay, so these are the characteristic that has no opposite. These are the characteristic that has an opposite. Okay, so this is a quick introduction. The next lesson, inshallah, we're gonna apply one by one, inshallah.